Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In case you're new here, my name is Maren and I'm Maureen. Yeah, so in today's episode, we're going to be doing a follow-up where we'll be asking Kenyans between Ethiopia and Rwanda, which country would they rather live and work? Yeah, so if you're new here and you've not subscribed to our channel, please consider subscribing to our channel. You can also leave a comment so that you can let us know what you think about this episode. So let's go. Hi. What's your name? It's fine. Yes. Okay, so today we're asking Kenyans, do you know the country Ethiopia and Rwanda?
Yes.
Do you know the country Ethiopia and Rwanda?
Yeah, I do.
What do you know it for?
Ethiopia, I know it for good coffee and athletes. Said Rwanda.
Yeah.
Rwanda is known for advocating, I think, for green environment, something like that.
Is there anything else you know about Rwanda?
It has good laws. Yeah, and the people there are super.
Okay. So if you're given a chance to either live and work in either Ethiopia or Rwanda, which country would you prefer?
I prefer Ethiopia because I feel like it's good business destination.
It's a good business destination.
Yeah, and I would like to live in
Okay. And let's say if you're given a chance to go to Ethiopia, what would you look forward to seeing or experiencing when you get there?
nice coffee.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you so much for your time.
You're welcome.
What do you know them for?
Start with Rwanda. I know Rwanda among the cleanest countries in Africa, peaceful countries. I know the genocide that happened in Rwanda back in 1980s. I know the people of Rwanda from that area. Yes, and it's a good country to work in. About Ethiopia, I know Ethiopians are marathonians, athletes. Ethiopians run, and that's why we are very happy the headquarters of AU, and it's a good country. Maybe I'm not been there, I don't know much about it, but I've met some of the guys from Ethiopia, and they are good people, hospitable.
And what's your impression of Ethiopians from those ones that we met?
Ethiopians are friendly, hospitable people. I have not been to their country, so I can't say much about them. To be alive. I don't know if what in Ethiopia is good or bad, but I've not had many wars in Ethiopia, apart from this one, it's South Sudan, which is happening right now.
Sudan or Somalia?
South Sudan. No, Somali, which is the Somaliland. Yeah, they are having a problem, but I think they are quite stable. I haven't heard of so many people.
So if you had to pick between living and working in Ethiopia or Rwanda, which country would you rather? Rwanda. There is it.
Yeah, so many reasons behind it. Rwanda is so peaceful, and you can see it. Rwanda is among those countries that are growing economically so fast. Like in the last 3 or 4 years, Rwanda has been ranked as the most developing country in Africa, the most peaceful country, and a country with a clean country, of course, with great ecosystem. So if I was to choose between Ethiopia and Rwanda, I would
Rwanda. And if you're given a choice to marry between a Rwandese woman or an Ethiopian woman,
oh my God!
Think about this very carefully because it's not easy.
Oh my God, Rwandese.
You'd pick Rwanda?
Yeah.
Is there a reason?
Yes. Their ladies are so respectful. They hold some dignity. So I've been watching clips of Rwanda. Some videos from Rwanda, and you can see how Rwandese behave, the Rwandese ladies, how they behave around themselves, around men, their wives. I think the ladies are just very much. Oh my God. Yes.
So thank you so much for your time. Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
What's your name?
My name is Peter.
Peter.
Yeah.
Okay, so today we are asking Kenyans. First of all, do you know the countries Ethiopia and Rwanda?
Yeah, I know the countries.
What do you know them for?
First of all, Ethiopia, I know Ethiopia for their culture, whereby they get to plant coffee. And I've heard many people saying that they've got the best coffee in the world. Yeah, that's what I love about Ethiopia.
And what about Rwanda?
About Rwanda, is their ladies. As a man, you have to look for the ladies, Yeah, and for the ladies, they have got the beautiful ladies in East and Central Africa. I love their ladies so much.
Is there anything Rwanda? Or is
Um,
it just the lady?
no, there's other thing. The other thing is Rwanda is the cleanest. It is the cleanest country in Africa. I don't know if it's in the world, but in Africa, I know it's one of the cleanest countries.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the main question of the day is between Ethiopia and Rwanda, which country would you prefer to live in?
I would prefer to live in Rwanda. Yeah, just because a part of the economy is kind of growing fast. It's a third world country. Yeah, but the economy is now growing. It's now it's now coming close to Kenya, but very close to Kenya. But anyways, yeah, that's what I love about Rwanda, and that's why I wanna live. I wanna live in Rwanda. Yeah, and the other thing is that the currency is not that bad, so I prefer to live there since. Yeah, since there's good money, you have got the beautiful ladies. Why can I not marry and live in Rwanda?
Oh, okay. So you'd marry in Rwanda and live and work in Rwanda?
Yeah,
Ah, okay.
definitely.
Okay, Sasa. Thank you so much for your time. Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm Eugene. I'm Eugene.
Using from Kenya.
Eugene from Kenya.
Okay, so then we are asking Kenyans, do you know the countries Ethiopia and Rwanda?
Yeah, I know the countries, Ethiopia and Rwanda. Of course, they are our East African countries.
Is there anything else you know about Ethiopia and Rwanda?
Ethiopia, mostly I've heard about their beautiful women, and Ethiopia was not colonized, if I'm not wrong. Um, Rwanda is one of the cleanest countries in East Africa, also one of the cleanest cities. When we compare Nairobi, Uganda, Tanzania, yeah.
Okay.
So at least I have something I can say about that.
So if you're given a choice today to live and work in Ethiopia or Rwanda, which one would you prefer?
Ethiopia and Rwanda. Definitely, I will choose Rwanda.
Is there a reason?
Yeah, I feel like we are so much connected with Rwanda than Ethiopia. I'm not saying that Ethiopians are quite different. Okay, I'll say something which I heard people say, but it's always not good using what people say. I heard people say, of course, Ethiopians are so welcoming, but you see, for me as a man, some people say things about Ethiopian women don't love other men apart from their men. So I think when it comes to choosing and having a place where because the environment that you are, it's the place where you might find your love or something. So if you're in a place where people don't love you, people don't want you, you might not choose to go to that place. But on a good side, I love Ethiopia as a country, and I've seen a couple of videos about Ethiopia, and I can't say anything negative about it. But Rwanda, I love Rwanda. Of course, I'll choose it over Ethiopia because Rwanda, when we resonate with them so much because our culture is almost the same, and lots of beautiful women. Yeah, lots of beautiful women, and our brothers from the United States are coming to Rwanda have those beautiful women. So why not me, an African who is in Africa, come and also get those beautiful women? Yeah, so this time I'll ride with Rwanda.
Okay, so Ethiopians who are watching us, please let us know in the comment section. Is this true? Do women in Ethiopia prefer only men from Ethiopia? Let us know in the comment section. We'd like to be corrected if you are wrong, right?
Yeah.
So that brings me to my next question. If you were to marry a woman from Ethiopia or Rwanda, who would you choose?
Definitely no. I'll choose Rwanda. Of course, I acknowledge Ethiopia has beautiful women. But I'll just go with Rwanda because they're beautiful and as I say, I don't want to deviate so much from my culture. Rwanda and Kenya, we are so close when it comes to culture. Yeah, so I'll definitely go with Rwanda even when it comes to marrying a woman. But I would love to date an Ethiopian and also have my part of the story. Maybe if I date an Ethiopian, that will change my narrative. Yeah, so maybe I will just love to have a chance of dating an Ethiopian to get to know which might lead me marrying Ethiopia rather than just choosing a Rwanda.
Okay.
Yeah.
So thank you so much for your time. Hi, how are you? Okay, I'm fine. Thank you. What's your name? Okay, okay, so today we are asking Kenyans, do you know the country Ethiopia and Rwanda? Well, what have you heard about them or what do you know before?
For Ethiopia, I'll say Java, their currency is high, never high currency. Then it is, I think they have business sodas or something.
Country.
They have conflicts and I think they also have beautiful ones.
Yeah, yeah. And what about Rwanda?
Rwanda, they just started from against the YouTube channel that they used to have innocent people.
Is there anything else you've heard about Rwanda recently?
Uh, how about they are the cleanest country in East Africa?
Yeah, yeah.
Uh,
Okay, so the main question of today is we're asking Kenyans between Ethiopia and Rwanda, which country would you rather live and work?
Ethiopia and Rwanda.
If you're given a job opportunity between these two countries, which one would you pick?
I think Rwanda.
Is there a reason?
Not exactly. Just go to Rwanda. That's not Rwandan guys.
Okay, and if you're given, which brings me to the next question. If you're given the opportunity to marry from either from Ethiopia or Rwanda, why would you pick?
Hey,
Think about it carefully.
I'm not sure if I would marry.
What about dating?
Dating,
Rwanda and Ethiopia. Rwanda. Sawa, sawa. Thank you so much for your time. Oh, and I see you're holding some. What are these?
because you can even put it on laptops, chats, whatever you want. Yeah, it's affordable.
Right. Where can people find you to promote your business?
You can just call our number. I have a details there. 0705 337
Okay.
Instagram, Instagram. Yes.
All right. So to support local talent or local business, we're going to leave his number for the stickers. If you want stickers for your laptop or otherwise, we'll leave his contact down below. So thank you so much for your time.